You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this saint. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, vocabulary from the Bible, biblical names too, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. John Chrysostom is the English pronunciation here. Chrysostom, stress on the first syllable of his surname. John Chrysostom, English pronunciation, John Chrysostom. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.